In this video, we'll talk about how to use have or has in a sentence. Hi, and welcome to our channel. I'm Mark Santamaria. I'm a US English teacher and immigration lawyer. Today, we'll learn how to use have or has to show that something belongs to you or someone else. In other words, have or has shows possession, and we'll learn how to use these words in a sentence. Let's start by listening to this conversation with Reina and Chris. Look, they're coming back from the grocery store. Hi, Reina and Chris. I see you and Chris went grocery shopping. What do you have in your bags? I have 3 bananas. I have 2 apples. Do you have any strawberries, Reina? No, I don't. Reina, does Chris have strawberries? Yes, he does. He has 5 strawberries. Great. We have 3 bananas, 2 apples, and 5 strawberries. Let's eat. Next, let's learn how to use have and has, depending on who we're talking about. In our conversation with Reina and Chris, we used have or has depending on the subject of the sentence. Let's look at these examples in the positive form. I have, you have, we have, they have, he has, she has, it has. So you see, we use have if the subject is I, you, we, or they. But if the subject is he, she, or it, then we use has. Let's look at the pictures on the other side. Here we see Reina and how many balls? Yes, 1 ball. Let's practice. I have a ball. Your turn. Good. You have a ball. Your turn. Good. We have a ball. Okay, good. Now your turn. They have a ball. Your turn. Good. Next, let's try using has. Here we see Reina. Reina's a girl cat. So what should we say? Yes, she has a ball. Your turn. Good. But how about if a robot has a ball? What should we say? Yes, it has a ball. Next, let's learn how to make questions with have or has. Please take a look here. Do I have? Do you have? Do we have? Do they have? For do. Does. Does he have? Does she have? Does it have? For does. We use do for I, you, or we, and they, and does for he, she, and it. Let's look at these examples. Hi, Reina. Do you have cat food? Oh, sorry to hear that. How about Chris? Does he have cat food? Yes. Chris, please give Reina some cat food. How about these sentences? Can you fill in the blank? Blank. You have a car. What should we say here? Right. Do you have a car? Next. Blank. They have a TV. What should we say here? Right. Do they have a TV? Next. Blank. She have a ball? What should we say here? Right. Does she have a ball? Good. Next, let's learn how to answer these questions. Please take a look here. Based on this chart, if I ask Reina, do you have any strawberries? What should Reina say? Good. No, I don't. If I ask you, does Reina have any strawberries? What should you say? Good. No, she doesn't. Take a look at this picture. If I ask you, do they have any cat food? What should you say? Good. Yes, they do. You should ask them for some food. Okay, Reina. Take a look at this picture. If I ask you, does she have any money? What should you say? Good. Yes, she does. Quick, get her money so we can buy cat food. Nice job. Please sign up for our email list so you can get free English worksheets. Please check out our English for Beginners playlist. Like this video and write a sample sentence in the comment section so we can check your writing. Thanks for watching. God bless.